A very good morning, Kasturians. How are you all? So, today we are here to study mathematics, and the topic is addition of three two-digit numbers.
So students, our today's new topic is addition of three two-digit numbers. Today we will learn that how to add three two-digit numbers. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see here that I have taken 43, 25 and 31. These are three two-digit numbers. 1, 2, 3 two-digit numbers. Now I have to add these. Do you remember we have done addition of three single digits like 5 plus 2 plus 3, and how we used to do it? We first take these any two numbers, and then the result will be added with the third number. Okay, but here we can do the same thing also. Yes or no? I can add first these two and then I can add these two. Yes or no? But it will take a lot of time. So to save our time, how we will add these numbers? Look here. First, I will write these numbers under the particular column, tens and ones. You remember number system? So here this will come under tens and this will come under ones. And this also 2, 5, 25 and here 31. See, I have written these three numbers here. Now, how I will add these? I cannot count 43 on my finger, isn't? Yes or no? So, what we will do? We will separate these. Means we will add separately. How? See, I have marked here one line. Means I will count 1 separately and 10 separately. Now you can see these have become single digit. Yes or no? 3, 5, 1. I have to add now 3, 5, 1. I can easily count it on my fingers. So let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1 is left. You can take this finger. Okay. So total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total is 9. Very good. Now our third step is add tens place. Now we will add this tens place. 4, 1, 2 and we have 3 now. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So total are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So my answer is 99. My answer is 99. That means if I will add 43 plus 25 plus 31. So my answer will be 99. So is it clear, everyone? So students, now we will do addition of three two-digit numbers with regrouping. Earlier we have done without regrouping. Now we will do with regrouping. So let's take one question, that is, I have taken 23, 15 and 34. Again, same, we will do the same thing, that is, we will write under these columns 23, 15 and 34. Now we have to add these numbers. Again, we will separate them like this. Okay. Here 3 ones, 5 ones, 4 ones. Now our second step will be, first was to write these numbers under these columns, and second step is add ones place. How we will add this ones place? 3 plus 5 plus 4. Now add these numbers. 3 plus 5. Now, oh, my fingers are finished. So what will I do? I will count on these fingers, means here, this sections. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 4. From here only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 3 plus 5 plus 4 will be 12. But this is 12 ones. Now how will I do? I will separate. You remember that in ones place we have only one chair left. Means only one digit can come here. So that means we will separate these numbers. And how we will separate these numbers? Again, 1 10 plus 2 ones. Very good. So that means 2 will come under 1's place and this 1 will go here on 10's place. See, this is 1/10, so here it comes 1. Okay, now we have to add 2, 1, 3 and 1. So let's count 1. So 1, 2, 3 means 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 and then again 1 and now 3. 1, 2, 3. Now total are 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so answer is 72 means when I will add 23, 15 and 34, my answer will be 72. Is it clear everyone? Have you understood that how I separated them? Ones separately I have added and tens I have added separately. And you can see that I have carried away 1 in this tens place. So is it clear everyone? So students, as you can see that I have taken 2 more questions. This is without regrouping and this is with regrouping. Now let's add these questions. Again we will separate it. 1's different and 10's different. 1 plus 8 plus 0. Now count this means add this. 1, now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 plus 1 is already here, so that means and 0. If I will add 0 in this numbers, and what does it mean? That means the number will be same. For example, you can take example like this. If I have given 9 chocolates to Priya and 0 chocolates to Rahul, so that means total chocolates I have given from my sides are 9 only, because 0 means nothing. I have not given anything to Rahul. I have given 9 chocolates to Priya only, and if I will count means if I will add this, so that means total chocolates were 9 only. Is that clear everyone? So that means 8 plus 1 will be 9, and if I will add 0 in 9, so answer will be same, that is 9 only. Means when we add 0 in any number, the number will be same always. Okay. Now we will add this 10th place. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 will be
5.
now here with regrouping. So now with regrouping, I have taken here 43 plus 39 plus 10. Now I have to add these numbers, these 3 numbers. How I will add this? Again I will separate them, means I will add 1 separately and 10 separately. Now add 3 plus 9 plus 0. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. 0 means nothing. So I don't have to add nothing, anything else. Till here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So I will write 12 here. But you remember, I cannot write here 2 digits. I have to write only 1 digit. So I will split this number. How? 110 and 2 ones. So 2 ones will come here under this ones and 110 will go under this tens. Okay. So that means 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and then 1. So total will be 9. Very good. So answer is 92. Now I hope students this without regrouping and with regrouping is clear to you.
So that's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.